check. Welcome back to another video, and I'm about to make a snack. I'm about to make a snack that we have taste tested. I made it earlier before, but I didn't show you how I made it, how I put it together. Because we just taste tested it and rated. Did it? Yeah, so, wait a minute. Is this in the kitchen adventures? Yay! Okay, so this poster here for the in the kitchen adventures, this one will be for here, like in the kitchen. I've made another one, but I've made another one of these, but that's for over there, for in the kitchen adventures over there. So this one's in the kitchen adventures, actually here in the kitchen. I got another poster just like this, but it's a bit different to this photo one. It isn't going to need spots on it. This one has. Over there for that in the kitchen adventures. And I have to say, like and subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and get me away from the depression maker. Okay, let's get stuck into this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, like I said, we've taste tested it before on my socials. Actually, I haven't uploaded it yet, my socials. I will upload that soon. Soon. So I just want to show you how I made it. How I actually put it together. Yeah, so I love it so much. So I'm going to make two of it. So get two rice crackers. Okay, and then we get the salmon. This is a hands, but if you use your hands, you have to finish the salmon. Can't just. So we put the salmon on. I like a little salmon in mine. One salmon. So I'm gonna finish this salmon today. I don't think you can keep smoked salmon for too long. I am gonna finish it. Okay, I'm just gonna let's one, and you can see like salmon. Okay, now I'll get the cheese. One slice of cheese will do. Put that on top of the salmon. just like that. And then I'll just use the same cheese for the second one. I break it up. It's easy to eat that way. Yep. It's yummy and tasty too. It is dairy free. It is dairy free, the cheese. Okay, it's like. There we go. 2 salmon and cheese crackers. I love these so much. I might have to get more salmon on Friday. I might. I'll think about it. I'm making a mess here. Here's the salmon. You could have set it up. So with the cheese, I'm just gonna like, so it's dairy free, plant-based cheese. These are really good. Yeah, so I don't have any more salmon left, so I just put this in the kettle. And there's some left. But I do have some eggs. So what about this Friday? We boiled some eggs. Or we can make scrambled eggs. Easy. And make a juicy egg and cheese sandwich. I have that toasted. Yes, guys. We can make a toasted sandwich in here. So it does work. Apparently I've seen it on TikTok. On TikTok you can do toasted sandwiches in the air fryer. So that's really good. So I'm going to have that with my energy drink. And then maybe a little bit later, I don't know what I'm going to have. Maybe a herbal tea or something. Like what are these teas? Maybe the immune tea or the chamomile and honey, or the pure chamomile, or I'm gonna have the new one, green matcha green tea. When I have that, I'll think about it. See what I have. I do have some fruit. I have been good and having my fruits, cherries and rockmelon. I do have spaghetti bolognese. Yum! What's this? Oh, chicken. KFC chicken. I have KFC chicken in there. I make KFC chicken in the sandwiches. Just the sandwich that we're going to make. I don't know if I got... No, I think I got rid of the lamp. Yeah, we got rid of the lamp. Now you get those into go in the bean. These 4 bottles. Coffee, Pepsi, that's gone flat. Empty, and this champagne bottle will go in the bean. I need to finish my coconut milk. Okay, and yet to start to have that. Like I said, yeah, I've got 2 eggs here, so we might use eggs for just chicken, egg, and cheese toasted sandwich. I do have some chicken in here in the freezer, so we might do some chicken pasta with the cream. Okay, yeah, so we do have a lot of food that we can make as well, so I might have to get more snacks. And maybe a bit more food. I will get more meats, actually. Yeah, I'll get more meats. Meats to make lasagna. That's in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have this. Yep. I guess I'll catch you later for more fun. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my socials so we can get away from that depression maker. Like and subscribe.